Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to log out people from your Netflix account. You can do this either in your phone or in your PC or laptop. It's up to you. Basically, it's all the same. Just open your Google Chrome or your Netflix application. Next, go to Netflix website. On the upper right corner, click Account. On the left side, click Devices. Once you're there, under Account Access, click Access and Devices. And there you can see all devices that your Netflix account has been logged in. So just scroll down and choose what device you want to sign out. For example, in my case, I want to sign out Android phone. So just click the sign out button. And there you go. The Android phone is now signed out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorial.